Okay, review na ulit tayo para sa Math Majorship ng Licensure Examination for Teachers, number 4. So about mixture problem, how many ml of 10% acid must be added to 500 ml of 40% acid to make a 30% acid solution? So ang choices, 1,000, 500, 750, and 250 ml. Okay, sasagutan na natin. So meron tayong dalawang formula para sa mixture problem kapag dalawahan lang. Okay? May shortcut kasi ako para dito. So, i-discuss ko parehas ang dalawang solution. Okay, so yung karaniwang method na ginagamit dito, kapag dalawahan, so we have C1V1 plus C2V2 equals C3V3 such that itong V3 natin, V3 is equal to V1 plus V2. And then C for concentration, yan yung percent, and V naman for volume. Okay, so i-set up lang natin, gawa lang tayo ng table. Yung unang row natin, ang ilalagay natin percent, ang pangalawa naman yung ml, yung volume. Okay? So we have how many, yan. So tinatanong how many ml of 10% acid? 10% acid. So ilagay lang natin yung percent dito, 10. Tapos hindi natin alam. So nandun agad yung question. How many ml of 10%? Hindi natin alam yung 10%. So lagyan na agad natin ito ng X. Must be added to 500 ml of 40%. So 40%, ayan. So 40% tapos 500 ml daw siya. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, hindi ko na nilalagay yung percent, 10 na lang. Imbis na ang 10% kasi 0.10. So para wala na agad tayong decimal. So tapos ito na yung C1V1, yung 10 at X, C2V2, 40 and 500. Dito naman tayo sa C3V3. So we have acid to make 30%. So 30% yung C3. So lagay natin dito 30. Tapos ito namang V3, yun na nga yung sum ng V1 plus V2. So that is X times 5, X plus 500. Okay, and then i-set up na natin ang ating equation. So substitute lang natin dito. So multiply lang ito. So we have 10x plus itong dalawa. Ito yung C2V2. We have 40 times 500 equals C3V3. So multiply lang natin ito. We have 30 times x plus 500. And then just solve for x. So multiply lang natin ito. So itong 30, distribute natin. So we have 10x plus 4 times 5, that is 20. May tatlong zero, so we have 20,000. Equals 30 times x, so we have 30x plus 30 times 500. So 3 times 5 is 15. So may tatlong zero, so 15,000. And then just solve for x. Pagsamahin natin si 10x at 30x. Subtract 10x to both sides. Okay, wala na ito. At the same time, itong 15,000, ilipat natin sa kabila. Okay, so subtract 15,000 to both sides. Okay, so therefore, cancel na ito. So we have 30x minus 10x, so we have 20x, and then 20,000 minus 15,000, so we have 5,000. And then divide both sides by 20. So yan na yung value ng x natin. Cancel lang natin itong 0. So we have 500 divided by 2. So the answer is 250 ml, which is letter D. Okay, so yan yung unang method natin. So gamit ang formula C1V1 plus C2V2, and then meron akong shortcut dito. Ang tawag naman dito ay alligation method. So sa alligation method, ang formula na ginagamit dito, ginagamit ko tong shortcut na to, tong alligation method, para sa civil service exam kasi bawal ang calculator dito. Kapag let naman, okay lang kahit na ito na lang ang gamitin, C1V1 plus C2V2, kasi kahit gaano kalalaking number yan or may decimal, madali lang kasi pwede calculator. So para sa civil service exam naman, ito ang ginagamit ko. So sineset up ko lang ito ng A, B, C such that B is greater than A dapat. So ito naka-arrange na. 10, 40, 30. Tapos ito, nilagyan ko ito ng X, Y. So magiging formula natin dyan, so alligation method ay magiging B minus C. Kaya sineset up ko to na mas malaki yung B kaysa dito sa A. So we have B minus C over ito namang C minus A, para maiwasan natin yung mga negative. Equal siya dito sa X over Y. Okay? So yan lang yung formula using alligation method. Okay, so substitute lang natin. So B minus C, we have 40 minus 30 over 30 minus 10. equals, so ito, x over y. So we have x over 500. Then solve for x lang tayo. Simplify natin ito. 40 minus 13, so that is equal to 10. And then 30 minus 20, 30 minus 10, that is 20, equals x over 500. And then lowest term muna natin ito bago tayo mag-cross multiply. So we have 1/2 equals x over 500. And then solve for x. So itong 500, ilipat natin dito sa kabila. So we have 500 divided by 2. So therefore, same answer, 500 divided by 2 equals 250. So therefore, tama yung answer natin, letter D. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope nagustuhan niyo explanation ko para sa mixture problem using yan, dalawang formula. Kung meron po kayong math question, ay i-comment nyo lang po sa aking channel, GTR Math Tutorial, or i-PM nyo ako sa aking Facebook, RJ Enseñado. So good luck sa lahat na nagre-review para sa licensure examination for teachers, especially sa mga math major sheet. So bye-bye and God bless.